From above, the water looks almost unreal. Crystal clear, turquoise, and calm. Yet this river has been flowing through Bern for centuries. Look closely, even the stones beneath the surface are visible. In many places, the water is so clear that you can watch life unfold beneath it. Around this river grew one of Europe's most beautiful capitals. Bern's old town, with its stone bridges and medieval rooftops, seems frozen in time. Standing here, it's easy to forget the noise of modern life. The river moves slowly. The city breathes quietly. As a surgeon, life is often measured in urgency and decisions. But moments like these remind me that some things don't need to be rushed.